You came for Pintxos, Guggenheim selfies, and maybe a quiet European getaway. What you didn't expect? A former industrial city turned futuristic stunner, where iron meets art and your taste buds might accidentally propose marriage. But wait, there's tension. You only planned one day here. Big mistake. Stay tuned because Bilbao is about to ambush your travel expectations in the best way possible. All right, first, orientation. Bilbao sits in Spain's Basque country, not Barcelona, not Madrid. This is northern Spain's mysterious, moody cousin. Clouds, cliffs, cider, and zero interest in flamenco. The locals speak Basque, Euskara, a language older than your grandpa's beard. But don't panic, Spanish is spoken. And if you say caixo instead of hola, you'll earn points. It's got a metro designed by the guy who did the Louvre Pyramid. It's got mountains and beaches. And it has absolutely no patience for mediocre food. Translation? You're gonna like it here. Let's talk about the giant metal elephant in the room. The Guggenheim Bilbao is part spaceship, part art museum, part tourist tractor beam. You could spend hours lost in there, between the 100-foot spider, high trauma, and Jeff Koons' giant flower puppy. It's modern art overload in the best possible sense. And even if you don't go inside, walk around it. Admire the way the building shimmers. Pose with the sculpture. Pretend you're cultured. It's free therapy for your eyeballs. Cross the river to Casco Viejo, the old town. This is where Bilbao whispers, "Hey, want to eat your weight in snacks and call it culture?" Enter. Pinchos. These aren't tapas. They're their own religion. Think tiny bites of flavor sorcery, stacked high on bread, stabbed with a toothpick like a mini food duel. Hot tip? Go bar hopping. 1 pincho. 1 drink. Repeat until your pants beg for mercy. Start at Café Bar Bilbao. Slide into El Globo. Finish at Gortoki if you still trust your legs. Quick tips, so you don't look clueless. Bilbao Airport is 15 minutes from town. Take the metro. It's clean, fast, and weirdly beautiful. Most Pintxos bars still use the honor system. Don't mess it up. It rains, a lot. Bring layers, and maybe a stylish existential crisis. You'll want more than one day. Trust me. If you're into offbeat Spanish cities with soul, salt, and a side of rebellion, check out our locals guide to San Sebastian next. It's Bilbao's breezy beach twin with even more Pintxos and a flair for coastal drama. Bring stretchy pants. Want to feel like you cracked the code? Head to Azkuna Zentroa, an old wine warehouse turned arts complex with a rooftop pool. Yes, it's real. Or take the Artxanda Funicular for city views that scream desktop wallpaper. Need a beach? Hop on the metro to Sopela, where golden cliffs crash into turquoise waves and surfers ride barrels that look straight out of a travel magazine. Need a forest? Lace up for Pagasari, Bilbao's backyard mountain, where shady chestnut groves, hidden springs, and Pintxo-fueled hikers make the climb feel like a local rite of passage. And if someone invites you to a txoko, a private Basque dining society, cancel everything. That's like getting invited backstage at Flavor's concert. Here's what they don't tell you. Bilbao has swagger. Quiet, confident swagger. It doesn't beg to be loved. It just is. Authentic, layered, and totally unfazed by tourists chasing tapas clichés. It's not Spain with castanets. It's Spain with steel, stories, and slow-burning soul. You came for the museum. You'll stay for the mood. So, beginner no more. You've tasted Pintxos. You've flirted with Frank Gehry's architecture. You've side-eyed a spider sculpture and maybe even cried in the rain just a little. Welcome to Bilbao. Now go tell everyone it's overrated, so it stays exactly the way it is.